Okay, let's start with Ielts speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a person who you believe dresses well. Dresses, you believe, describe its present tense. So please, you can start.
I grew up in Lahore, and most of my friends having a dressing sense similar to mine. When I was in my high school, we had a new neighbor, Sana. The first thing I noticed about her the day she moved was her clothes. Her clothes were very nice and stylish. She was my age fellow, and we became very good friends. The reason of her dressing sense was her elder sister. She was a fashion designer. When we were playing outside, she used to wear good athletic clothes with nice sneakers, with cool sneakers. And at parties, she used to wear semi formal clothes, nice dark colors. The best thing about her was that she did not wear the branded clothes all the time. She used they have the sense of creativity in them. She helped me a lot. She told me about various shopping online for the shopping online, and I'm unfortunately her parents moved away. I miss her a lot. She was my inspiration, and I miss her a lot.
All right, that's fantastic. 1 minute 11 seconds. Overall, it's good. Fluency is really good. Pronunciation is fine. And the relevance of your answer to the topic is good. So I would only say try to be familiar with all the topics. Inshallah, it will bring you good bench
Inshallah.
score. Now we have speaking part 3. Do you think online shopping will replace in-store shopping in the future?
No, I don't think so that it will replace because the real experience of in-store shopping is much more fun and it much more convenient than virtual shopping. So I think so it will not replace it. It might be it can become to the availability or the ease of the people, but I think so in-store shopping is more good rather than
Okay,
online.
more and good cannot come together. You should say in-store shopping is
Is more
rather
good.
better than online shopping. Okay, overall it's good, minor grammatical mistakes, but apart from this, it's all fine. Thank you so much.